What's up, YouTube? It's Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick update on the video I did yesterday on campaign optimization. All right, so if you remember the video, if you haven't watched the video, go back and watch yesterday's video. It's about 10 minutes, and I show you how to optimize a campaign. We're taking a broad campaign, and we're bringing it down a little more narrow, trying to find the pockets of audience. So I broke out two ad sets here, and you can see one of them didn't get a purchase, but I only spent $33, okay? So I'll probably let that run another day, maybe two, get it up to about 120-ish. Which is twice my CPA, and if it doesn't get a purchase, I'm out. Okay. Now this one popped off. Okay, this one got 3 purchases at $43.17 at a 60 CPA. That's almost $50 in profit. So I got one that was a winner here. Another one that did well today. This actually broke even. I think I was at 660 or yeah. Actually, it was a little bit of a loss. But again, I was testing, so I lost that $30. It would have broke even on this account. I didn't really have anything snap off today. Overall, I ended up being about $200 green. It converted pretty well today, but I was running multiple tests in multiple accounts, so a couple of them, didn't work. That's what we call it, testing. So, but the fact that I was green and I was testing, that's good. Had I not been testing, I probably would have ended up being maybe $300 green today. So it was a pretty good day. It was actually converting really well, but. What I wanted to do was just show you guys here the results of the test. I'll run this obviously tomorrow. I'm going to run this tomorrow. I'm going to run all these tomorrow. Okay. So how many do I have turned on here? I have quite a few. So I'm running a pretty large amount of ad sets tomorrow. So we'll see how it turns out. It did pretty well today. Like I said, I was green. Yeah, if you guys are interested in learning more about how I optimize campaigns, how I actually build these campaigns, I actually have a webinar today at 11 o'clock. It's going to be a live webinar, so I'll put a link to that below. So if you'd like to jump onto that webinar today, go ahead and check us out, and I'm going to show you guys step-by-step kind of some of the tricks that we're doing to build these campaigns, and then I'll have an offer at the end as well if you're interested in going into our 8-week program, which is doing really well, by the way. So if you guys are interested in that, there's going to be a link below. If you like the value from those videos and you are learning some stuff, I would appreciate a like on the video. And if you could share it with your friends, make sure you subscribe and bang that notification bell on the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later.